Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a networking problem that many of us might encounter at some point. Our viewer has a TPLink Archer C2 AC750 router and is facing the issue of not being able to ping their router from the outside after a reset. This problem has left them scratching their head, especially since their friend was able to ping them successfully in the past. Let's dive in and see what's going on. In the solution provided, we've discovered that the viewer's IP address starts with 100.79, indicating that their ISP is using carrier-grade NAT, CGNAT. This means that they are not given a public IP address, but rather share a smaller pool of IP addresses among multiple customers. Unfortunately, due to CGNAT, it's generally not possible to ping the IP address from outside the network. The viewer may only be able to ping their public IP address and the IP addresses starting with 100.xx within their network. Ultimately, this situation is controlled solely by the ISP, and there's little that can be done from the viewer's end. In summary, it seems that the viewer's ISP's use of CGNAT is the root cause of their inability to ping their router from outside the network. While it's a common practice to conserve public IP addresses, it does restrict certain functionalities like external pinging. Remember, if you ever find yourself in a similar situation, understanding the role of CGNAT can shed light on why certain network interactions may not work as expected. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any networking quirks you've come across. See you next time.